Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jazzlyna. I'm from JBA 2258. Socure is the leader in high-assurance digital identity verification. The company predictive analytics platform applies artificial intelligence and machine to trusted online or offline sources, including email, phone, address, IP address, social media, and traditional GLBA or DPBA data to authenticate identity in real time. Now, we want to know how secure identity check works. Next, Socure developed the ID Plus platform powered by appropriate identity verification board named Uitm. This ultimate identity verification method eliminates abandonment at the onboarding point and even in some cases eliminate. Consistently collect digital life data from thousands of online and offline data points and then utilize the power of machine learning to build a comprehensive, accurate data model of customer identity. It automates the entire life cycle of identity authentication from onboarding through to the final decision. ID Plus yield result 4 times more reliable and then the rival nearest to ID Plus is powered by our patented identity verification board IDA. This one-of-a-kind technology sources over 300 dynamic data sources and apply advanced data science to verify who is behind the scene in a matter of milliseconds. It is a unique market solution, the best judge of consumer identity on the market today. Overview of secure identity check environment. Socure ID Plus API offers robust one-stop identity confirmation, compliance with regulatory enforcement requirements, and maximize efficiency by integrating digital identity check with predict bureaus check and the global watch list data. This is all the list of products that Socure can offer. The first one is Sigma Fraud Score. It is utilizes machine learning and advanced algorithm to predict the likelihood the supplier identity is fraudulent. The second one is Know Your Customer (KYC). Is verify identity against authoritative data sources. And the third one is Global Watch List. Check information submitted against the key international watch list. Then, email risk and correlation score. It is point solution to assess risk associated with an email address. Then, phone risk and correlation score. That is point solution to assess risk associated with a phone number. And then, address risk and correlation score. That is point solution to assess risk associated with. In addition, Socure also offers a lead list which compares transaction against Socure corporate consortium database of known as fraudulent user. And then document verification that is allow user to confirm the authenticity of wide range of government issue identification from around the world. And the last one is social screening, that is to increase manual review efficiency with a comprehensive report on social media activity for identities.
Socure is a predictive analytics platform meant to verify and predict whether an identity being presented to a new institution is actually the identity that they think. We've built an end-to-end digital identity verification service for KYC, fraud prediction, AML, for account opening across the internet. Historically, with incumbent solutions, you have a tremendous amount of false positives. You have insufficient coverage using legacy credit-based information to do identity verification. And generally, you have outdated linear models, decision trees, and using rules-based systems. And so with Socure, what we've developed is a service that looks at all of a consumer's identity, leverages the newest forms of supervised and unsupervised machine learning to reason over a much larger data set. And then we've built really accurate classification models. In identity verification, historically you just had an analyst basically writing, if an IP is a known proxy, then do X. Whereas with supervised machine learning, you can train models to reason over a much, much larger amount of data, which allows you to obviously, instead of using 20 variables, we're able to build, hundreds or thousands of variables into our machine learning models. And so as we've gotten more and more and more performance feedback data across financial services, healthcare, e-commerce, payroll service providers, shared marketplaces, it's allowed us to learn across multiple types of fraud, multiple types of customers, multiple socioeconomic classes, and build really, 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 truly best-in-class supervised machine learning models. You talk to every single person that is willing to listen. I mean, I ran out of my LinkedIn InMail, many times, right? I mean, it was like truly guerrilla. I mean, for years we were spending, and our marketing guys will laugh now, but we were spending 10K, 5K a year on marketing, right? We would go to conferences and wait.
Okay, moreover, we want to know why we should have to choose Socure. Okay, the first one is it can grow your business, which is increase auto asset rate by more than 20%. The second one is cut fraud. It is reduce current fraud losses by 80%. Okay, the third one is streamline review process. It can reduce manual review time by more than 75%. Lastly, I want to share with you guys why we should switch to Socure for your identity verification needs. Testimony from Socure user. The first one is investment advisor relies on Socure to safely accept more customers. The second one is US Challenger Bank switch to Socure to increase auto approval rate, decrease friction. And the third one is international money transfer company use Socure to identify customer online with high accuracy and low risk. And the last one is leading online lender cut fraud by more than 50% with Socure. In my opinion on Socure product and service, since IT environment in Malaysia is relatively new, it will be wise for company or government agency to adopt Socure product or service. With COVID-19 pandemic is happened in Malaysia and over the world, many SME and a big company have moved towards digitalized and doing business online. Therefore, Socure identity verification is utmost important to avoid customer identity being used and manipulated by someone irresponsible. By set up Socure early in the organization, many future identity theft will be reduced and eliminated to a minimized level. Moreover, Malaysia should follow New York on this product because it can reduce a fraud and losses in the organization or in the country itself. And that's all for me. Thank you.